Thank you for staying with me and completing this introduction to the course. Over the coming modules, you will be learning by experience, much more than by listening, and you will need to have patience and commitment to get the greatest benefit from this course. You will be working with ways to shift the old patterns of your mind, and there is no quick fix for doing that. However, do not worry, any assignments we suggest will not be complicated, they will be tasks that anyone can do. The course is structured into 4 modules, but you can take breaks when you feel like it, and complete the course at a pace that suits you. During each module, there will be a set of assignments to practice in your daily life. They are called practices, because mindfulness is something one needs to practice in order to learn it. Just like learning to drive, play an instrument, or taking up a sport. When you begin your practices, you may find that you like them, finding them relaxing or calming. On the other hand, you may find them challenging, frustrating, or irritating. Any of these reactions are fine and normal, and you are encouraged to continue with the course, even if you cannot see the point or the benefits straight away. The best advice that can be given is to just do it, to stick with the practices, whatever happens. Each module will have a main daily mindfulness practice, using a session guide you can play. You will need to find a quiet place and a time of day that works best for you to practice. You will also have short practices you can do throughout the day, in order to bring awareness into your daily routine. If you do not manage to practice on specific days, be kind to yourself, and not beat yourself up. Instead, observe with gentle curiosity into what prevented you from practicing, and how you might make it easier for the next time you practice. In the next session, you are asked to reflect on your own intentions for taking this course, by answering 2 questions. 1. Why are you here? And 2. What motivation will help keep you going over the course modules? Click the next video box to go to the next video in this course. Click the View Playlist box to go to the playlist for all course videos. Click the Go Back box to go to the previous course video.